Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sang Kim. In the previous video, I showed you how to calculate martingale and deviance residuals in Excel and R. In this video, I would like to show you how to use plots for martingale and deviance residuals for Cox proportional hazard analysis in R. Again, in summary, there are three types of diagnostics for the Cox model: testing the proportional hazard assumption, examining inflation observations or outliers, or detecting non-linearity in relationship between the log hazard and the covariate. Martingale residual is useful to assess non-linearity, and deviance residual, which is same as symmetric transformation of the martingale residuals. And this is also useful to examine influential observations. So let me focus on martingale residual plus to assess nonlinearity in this video. So let me use our program. Let's activate survival library and let's use ovarian sorted data, right? So ovarian sorted data looks like this, and FU time has been sorted from smallest to largest FU time. Right. Let's get we are interested in linearity. So let's get null model from ovarian sorted data. So CPH 0, Cox proportional hazard null model, and Cox PH, and serve FU time, and FU stat, and no covariate, data equals ovarian sorted. Then let's get residual from null model. Residuals CPH 0 and type equals martingale. In the previous video, actually, I used Rx and age variable as covariate. So let's focus on Rx and age variable, right? So let's draw plus for Rx variable first. So x equals sorted Rx, y equals Res 0. Then we can draw lines with then, as you can see, there's slight linear. It shows very small linearity, right? Of course, you can consider. Let's draw this graph again from CPH1 model, which includes Rx and age variable. So CPH1. Data equals ovarian dot sorted and Rs1 martingale, then so please remember this graph. This is from null model, and let's get same plus from CPH1 model. All right. Compared to previous plus, it shows almost no linearity, right? Once you include Rx variable in the model. To make it clear, let's use a continuous variable. So let's use this one again. And instead of Rx, let's use age variable. Right, as you can see, it shows very strong linear relationship between age covariate and residual from null model, right? However, if you get same graph from CPH1 model, it shows there's no linearity, right? Because once you include age variable, age actually explains lots of parts from Cox proportional hazard model, right? So in summary, without having any transformation, if it shows linearity, once you include it in the model, then you can directly use this covariate in the Cox proportional hazard model. So let's use PBC data. This is actually from survivor package. So PBC is the abbreviation of primary biliary, I think, and cirrhosis. Not sure whether the pronunciation is right. Anyway, so data, let's see PBC data structure. Right, so we are interested in status and time, right? Then let's get another model and time and status 2 and no covariate. Then we can get plus x equals PBC biliary and y equals residuals from fit 0. There should be comma here. Confine function residual, sorry, there's typo, sorry. Right, it shows this pattern, and let's include lines here. Right, as you can see, a biliary variable without having any transformation has a relationship with residuals like this. It doesn't have. It's hard to say it has. It shows it has linearity, right? So we can think of transformation of biliary variable. So plot x equals PBC. Sorry, log of PBC and biliary. And y equals same residuals. And let's add lines with log transformation of biliary variable. Right. So once you actually consider log transformation, actually log of biliary variable shows linear relationship with residuals with null hypothesis. Then we can use like Cox proportional hazard model like this. Right. So again, sorry, we need to include log transformation like this. Right. This is how we can use martingale residuals to improve your Cox proportional hazard model in R. I hope it was useful to understand how to use martingale residuals for Cox proportional hazard model. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.